abasirikale nabo mu kulya abapoliisi n'amakomera bateekeddwa ku ttendekero lya poliisi Bwebajja babanguddwa mu byobufuzi okuuma eddembe n'okumalawo obutabanguko ku mitendera gya satifikeeti diguli esooka n'eyokubiri bamaze omwaka mulamba abangulwa akulya ettendekero lino Kavero Moses akuliriza abasirikale abanguddwa okulaga enjawulo nga bakola emirimu gyabwe.
The skills that you have learned here and let the police management see a difference from the time you came to the time you are going out.
Ategeeza nti olw'abasirikale ate tebamanyi nakozesa kompyuta nga te bagiyize.
We have commissioned Oluku. He came without knowing how they switch on the computer. Now he has been doing all the assignments, typing them by himself.
Amyuka omuduuzi wa poliisi mu ggwanga Meja Gen Kasigaze ategeeza nti abasirikale b'engwedde okunyirira.
I don't know whether the weight in the head also reflects what I see on the body. But we thank the commandant, we thank the director, Human Resource Development.
Awuliriza abasirikale bakomye okwemulugunya nga basindikiddwa okubangulwa abasabye okwesa bye basomye batombole enkola y'emirimu gya poliisi.
Let us see your work to reflect the masters you got here. Let's see how that masters improve the police force, not you the individual.
Ye Minisita w'ensonga ez'omunda mu ggwanga Gen Kahinda Otafiire ajjukiza abasirikale obuvunaanyizibwa bwabwe.
You are called police officers for the sole purpose of maintaining law and order for the Republic of Uganda. You must know what your calling is and how, what the sacrifices you are making for and on behalf of your country.
Ategeeza nti olw'okubakwata emmondo balina okuba n'okubangulwa okw'enjawulo.
When you have an armed person who is not knowledgeable, that person is very dangerous.
Azemu okubakubiriza okukola ennyo basobole okukuzibwa. Otafiire alabudde kabaate ak'okulya enguzi.
So this business of corruption, if you want your commander to be corrupt, you get out of the police force. Then you can go and start cheating in the chukubo and, you overcharge people. But if you are a police officer, you must behave like a police officer.
Ajjukiridde abasirikale abatagala kuddayo kutendekebwa tibakubagoba.
Anybody who says they can't come for this command post for whatever reason, unless they are seriously sick, should be removed from the police. On this 13th day, July 2023, hereby pass out 41 officers who have successfully completed the police senior command and staff course.
He has learned a lot. He was from the us two before.
Mutebi Sulaiman yakusakidde guli nkulawo Bukedde TV.